Okay, so I'm going to show you a little trick, tip, whatever you want to call it. But sometimes we, with the layering and the arrangements and stuff, it's hard to get things just the way we want it. So with this, I'm just showing. Now, let's pretend that I wrote these in, and look at I'm like all over the place, but I want them now. I could sit here and try to eye it and stuff, and that's fine. You can definitely do that. But an easier kind of way to do this is you're going to go to position, and you're going to go to where it says layers, and you are going to highlight all. So see, these are separate, that's separate. The leaves are separate. Everything has its own little line, okay? Or not line, but space. All right, so I'm going to show you how we're going to easily get these lined up, okay? So I'm going to put where I want that one and where I want that one. Sometimes it lines them up perfectly, sometimes it doesn't, but it lines them up. Okay, so this is how you do it. You go into the layers and you're going to highlight each one. Okay, you just click on it. You're going to highlight each one. All right, so I have all of them highlighted. I'm going to go back over to Arrange, and I'm going to click on this button that says Tidy Up. And see how it tidied it up? It's still not exactly where I want it, of course. So I am going to just maneuver this, and there we go. Okay.